Welcome to our English class, and today we are going to learn Days of the Week, a poem given in your textbook. Now, let's begin with the poem. Okay, so this is something which will be helpful in your daily life. आपके रोजी जीवन में ये सहायता करेंगे। ये दिनों का नाम है। जैसे एक इंद्रधनुष में 7 रंग होते हैं, उसी प्रकार हमारे एक सप्ताह में 7 दिन होते हैं। Just like the rainbow with 7 colors, we have 7 days of the week. Let's learn the days of the week with their names. Whenever you see a calendar, जब भी आप एक कैलेंडर देखेंगे तो आपको एक तारीख देखना होता है और उस तारीख में कौन सा दिन है, यानी कि 10 फरवरी 2025, 10th February of 2025, what day it is. If they ask, you need to know the days of the week. So let's learn the poem, Days of the Week. Sunday is the first day. Sunday is the first day of the week. Sunday is the first day of the week. Monday is the second day of the week. Tuesday is the third, तीसरा दिन है। ट्यूसडे कौन सा दिन है बच्चों? ट्यूसडे जो है वह तीसरा दिन है। और वेडनेसडे कौन सा दिन है बताइए? विच डे इज वेडनेसडे? हमारा जो बुधवार है वो कौन सा दिन आता है? वेडनेसडे को हिंदी में बुधवार कहा जाता है। वेडनेसडे इज द फोर्थ डे ऑफ द वीक। इट्स द फोर्थ डे ऑफ द वीक। थर्सडे हमारा बृहस्पतिवार। थर्सडे इज द फिफ्थ डे ऑफ द वीक। इट्स द फिफ्थ डे of the week. Friday is the, yes, very good, sixth day of the week. Friday is the sixth day of the week, and Saturday comes the seventh day of the week. Just like a rainbow, which has 7 colors, the days of the week are 7 in number. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. यानी कि रविवार, सोमवार, मंगलवार, बुधवार, बृहस्पतिवार, शुक्रवार और शनिवार हमारे सप्ताह में 7 दिन है। ठीक है बच्चों? So we learned about this. Now let's learn the poem. A week has 7 days. Come say it along with me. A week has 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And you get 6 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And you get 6 days. Yes. And one more day and one more day, the Saturday, and you get 7 days. One more day, Saturday, and you get 7 days. That is wonderful. So with this, let's learn how to read the calendar. Now we are seeing the February month. So here you see, here S is for Sunday because that's the first day of the week. See how in the calendar, Sunday. So in the calendar, if you see here, if you see in the calendar, for Sunday, it is given S. For Monday, it is represented as M. For Tuesday, which is the third day, it is T. For Wednesday, it is represented as W. For Thursday, again, it is represented as T. And for Friday, it is represented as F. And for Saturday, again, it is in S. सो इन दिस ऑर्डर, जो ऑर्डर है, जो क्रम है, उसके अनुसार आप लोगों को समझना है कि ये एस मंडे से पहले आता है तो ये संडे है, और ये एस फ्राइडे के बाद आता है तो ये सैटरडे है। क्रम के अनुसार आप लोगों को ज्ञात करना है कि ये एस का मतलब क्या है और ये एस का मतलब क्या है। उसी प्रकार यहाँ पे 2 बार टी आ रहा है। द टी इज कमिंग ट्वाइस. T is here between Monday and Wednesday. So this will be Tuesday. And the T when it comes between W and F, that is Wednesday and Friday, will be Thursday. Yes. So इस प्रकार you can understand which day of the week are they mentioned here in short form. Now, since we are seeing February of 2025, we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday given on the top order. जो शीर्ष पे दिया है, जो स्तंभों के शीर्ष पे दिया है. Now let's see February 10 कब आ रहा है. ये है 10 फरवरी. 10 फरवरी किस दिन पे आ रहा है? Yes, M माने तो Monday. So it is coming on the second day of the week. When is 10th of February? 10th February 2025 किस दिन पे आ रहा है आपसे पूछा गया है, तो आप कैसे कहेंगे? 10th February is a Monday, which is the first day or the second day? Which is the very good second day. Second day of the week. आप ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं कि ये पहला हफ्ता है, दूसरा हफ्ता है, तीसरा हफ्ता है, चौथा हफ्ता है, ऐसे आप कह सकते हैं. तो उस प्रकार से आप सेकेंड डे ऑफ द सेकेंड वीक भी कह सकते हैं. सो 10th February 2025 is a Monday, which is the second day of the week. ओके, तो ये दूसरा आप ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं, सेकेंड डे ऑफ द सेकेंड वीक. ठीक है बच्चों, इट्स अ सेकेंड डे ऑफ द सेकेंड वीक आप कह सकते हैं. यस, यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. कैन वी मूव फॉरवर्ड? आई विल शेयर एन एक्टिविटी एंड वी विल सी. So let's see how much you have understood so far. Very good. So now let's go ahead and do the activity together. यहाँ पे देखिए, इधर आपको दिनों का नाम दिया है. These are the days of the week and this is the order of the week, as in this, which is the fourth day, third day, second day, first day. So let's see which is the fourth day. We know that Sunday is the first day, Monday is the second day, Tuesday is the third day, and Wednesday is the fourth day. So we put Wednesday. Yes. Next is which is the third day. Wednesday से पहले कौन सा दिन आता है? बहुत खूब बच्चों, Tuesday. So Tuesday will be the third day. And next comes the sixth day. जो छठवां दिन है वह कौन सा दिन है? देखिए, अभी Wednesday is the fourth day. तो और दो दिन क्या होता है? Wednesday के बाद कौन आता है? Thursday आता है और उसके बाद Friday आता है. तो Friday becomes our sixth day. Now which is the fifth day? Friday से पहले कौन आता है बताइए? Very good kids, it's the Thursday. Okay, and now who is the seventh day of the week? Yes, very good kids. We saw in the calendar the seventh day of the week is a, yes, Saturday. What was the poem? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and you get 6 days. And one more day, the Saturday, you get 7 days. So the seventh day of the week is Saturday. And now, there's a big confusion whether Monday is the first day or Sunday is the first day. देखा जाए तो आपका जो हफ्ता है, when your week starts, it should start with rest. So Sunday, you start with a leisure day. So that will be your first day. And Monday, you start to work. आपको ये चीज में कंफ्यूजन आ सकती है. बच्चों कंफ्यूज हो सकते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हम स्कूल सब मंडे से ही शुरू करते हैं, तो हम समझते हैं कि मंडे ही पहला दिन है हफ्ते का. That is not right. Sunday is the first day. You start with Sunday and then go to Monday. Let's submit the answers. Yes, kids, we have done it well. And we have finished up the poem today. We'll see you in the next video. Jai Vidya Shakti, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.